Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a new unboxing video of this great power bank from Mi. This means from Xiaomi. This is a model Redmi. So this is the box. This is original product. How you can see here, it is something like certification. You must scratch this down and there is a code and you can check it in this you can see in this website. Well, let's take a closer look to these parameters. The model name is PB100LZM. Battery type for this power bank is a lithium polymer. Input ports are micro USB and USB-C type. Output port USB-A. One cell capacity is 37 watt hours, 3.7 volts, or 10,000 milliampere hours. Well, I must say this product is very heavy. Okay, let's open this box and see what's inside. First, we can see that there is some papers. This is something like warranty card, notice how to use, and of course there must be, yes, some user manual how to use. Well, that is not interesting. Box goes now to side. Well, we have inside this box not very long cable, about 30 centimeters long cable, USB and micro USB standard. So, and here in this great white box we have this very heavy 10,000 milliampere hours power bank. This is in white color. There is another in black color. I bought this in white. So this is how it looks like. There is a Redmi logo. There is a button. And when you push the button you can see the LED, how is the capacity. Now shows it's full. 4 dots, 4 LED dots. About one is 25%. That means when all these lights you can see that means that this power bank is full charged. When it shows only 2, this means this is 50%. And what is here? Connectors. There is USB, another USB, Type C, and of course for charging, or what else? This is into. This is for charging when you have a cable with Type C, and this is with micro USB. In package comes just micro USB. You can put this here and you can charge this power bank itself. What else? That's all. Color white. It's made from very, must say that's something like soft touch plastic cover, and that's good because when it's very glossy it's very not good because it becomes very dirty very fast. You can see your fingerprints and so, but this is This is nice one in soft touch. Personally, I bought this in a local online store. There was a sale price, and I bought this power bank for 10 euros, something 10 euros, yes. So, by the way, I put the links in description below for AliExpress, there you can find this product and check more about it. Well, let's take a little test. I connect this. I have only this micro USB charger. So, and for example, we have here IQOS heat. So where is the out? Okay, sorry, I must here connect one, this USB connect here, and the other side, because I have in my IQOS, else this is the micro USB. So connecting, and you can see it's charged. I have already tested this power bank on my Samsung A40 smartphone, and I must say it takes very long time to charge my phone, because I used USB, I have not Type-C cable, where the both sides of this is a Type-C. That's why. But the producer says that this is fast charging function. When you have this Type-C, then you can charge very fast your devices, smartphones or something else. Well, what can I say about this product? It's very heavy, because the battery is 10,000 mAh, and it's not very lightweight. The sizes are about 10, or like a smartphone size, I don't know. All over, I must say, for this price you have 10,000 mAh power bank from Redmi. I think it's very good. All products from Xiaomi, in my personal opinion, are very good in quality, build quality, and so on. So, on my opinion, I'm happy with this product. I will test it for more devices, not only for smartphones. So that was a short unboxing video of this, I must say, budget power bank. Thanks for watching.